Maiden flight, baby. Let's do it. I don't think I have to go too far for this one. On the mains. Here we go, baby. Wheels up. Wheels are up. What do I need? She needs some down elevator. Let's come around again. Need some right aileron. I'll do one click. And looks alright. Elevator's a little spongy. Oh, too much oscillation. It's oscillating too much. I gotta turn that down. That's my gyro. I gotta turn it down. So I gotta cruise around for now. You saw it was funny looking. Yeah, I'm gonna drop that bomb now. Yeah. I can't turn the gyro down with the master gain yet. I can't even go full throttle because it'll oscillate, so gotta. And I got the gyro all the way down. Still some close by. So stable. Very stable. Let's do a roll. Man, it's amazing. I love this plane already. I just can't go full throttle right now, but I'll do it on the next flight. So let's go ahead and bring the gear down. Alright, gear has been down. No funny movements, no funny things. Very well, very done. Very good, very good, very good. That's good, that's good. Success. Well guys, there you have the maiden flight. Blitzrcworks P-40 WARHAWK. Wheels up. Whoa. I had the ESC kind of do a weird sound, so mayday, mayday, mayday. I don't know, my ESC just did a weird chirping sound. See, it's back now again. Let me see, bro. I gotta check this out. Strange. It's doing it again. Weird. That is so crazy, so weird. I think I might change the speed controller on this one. Flies really good. Touch and go. Gear up. I think my timing is off. That's what it is. Bringing her down. No, 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 no. New speed controller, so hopefully no more issues. That tail wheel's, oh no, that's the wind pushing me when that happens. I often blame it on the tail wheel that's misaligned, but it's not, it's the wind. Alright. Wheels up. How are we looking? Pretty good. A little bit, yeah. They all have like a different distinctive sound.
That is scary.
That spinner needs to be balanced. Doesn't sound that good. But damn, it flies good. Get away from the sun here. That's that P-40. I love this plane, man. This is the one from Pearl Harbor, babe.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the sound of this one better.
Believe me, that sound is because of vibration. But it sounds cool.
Can this one be pilot speed?
Yeah.
Does the engine cut off?
I turned it down. Whenever you're coming down, like from the sky, you want to turn the engine down. You know, you don't want to go full throttle all the way.
That's what I would do.
Oh no, then you snap wings and stuff, or depending on the plane. But
I would be really good at demolishing.
I bet.
Do you ever have a plane that you're just ready to have it trashed? I'll fly that one.
Like a beater plane, or you
Like
can
a
just.
beater plane, yeah.
Yeah. Wait, you can buy a beater plane for like 80 bucks. They sell and they take
No,
they take.
I want it to be one of yours.
Why mine? That's messed up. I do want to try a slow roll, but I'm gonna do it coming the other way.
A slow roll?
Yeah. When you roll, slow. But you keep the same attitude, like the same angle of attack. Yeah, kind of wonky, but. What do you mean, like?
Sit up, and then down.
Yeah. I mean, you virtually can do anything, really. I'm going to show you what a hammerhead is. Go up, and then use your rudder to turn it. It was barely a hammerhead, but that's okay.
Wow, the sound. Wow, that was cool.
Let's see, a 4-point roll is... It's a little wonky because it's a warbird. I mean, but some people do it really good, like a good job, even with a warbird. I'm still a noob. Huh? Even when it's windy, some pilots out there kick ass, baby. I'm telling you. Hey, that'll be good. Inverted. I'll see if I can do an inverted pass.
What? That sounds very dangerous.
Oh.
Very risky business.
See if I can just fly inverted.
Don't get confused.
No. Just got to make sure you hold that stick pressure to the
Are
front.
you still upside down?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, we'll do a touching. Actually, you know what? I think I should bring her down. I've been hammering it too much. Gear down. Well, that ESC works really good. It's a Skywalker 60.
Okay. Just tap it in.
Alrighty. A little crosswind here. I'm gonna wave off.
Are you doing that on purpose?
No, that I was coming in too fast and
Oh. Well, then it tried to push you to the grass.
there's lots of crosswind though. This is known as crosswind central out here. So what I do is try to stay on that side of the runway. I like that. And there you have it. I redeemed her.
Yay! I didn't know it was a girl.
We all like refer our planes to females, baby. I don't know, it's just a thing.
The Blitzrcworks P-40 1100mm surprised me with its excellent ground handling, especially considering its relatively compact size and narrow landing gear. Rollout was smooth and predictable, and it rotated effortlessly during takeoff. Watching the 90-degree rotating retracts in action was a visual treat. In the air, the model flew very well, flew very stable, even more than expected. Though I initially had to turn off the gyro due to overly high gain settings that caused noticeable oscillation. Mid-flight, I noticed a chirping sound from the motor, which I suspected was a timing issue with the ESC. Despite this, I pressed on, though in hindsight, I probably should have grounded it. Eventually, I lost throttle and had to perform an emergency landing. Strangely, the throttle returned, but the motor continued behaving erratically. I chose to replace the ESC rather than go through the hassle of reprogramming it. And after the swap, the plane flew flawlessly. Landings are smooth and predictable, but require precise flare to avoid bouncing. Overall, despite the ESC hiccup, the Blitzrcworks P-40 is a fantastic model, especially when on sale. It's compact, easy to transport, and fun to fly. Would I buy it again? Sure, if I had a spare ESC or the patience to reprogram one. But until Banana Hobby addresses the ESC issue, it may not be for everyone, especially those who don't want to invest extra time or money fixing a brand new model. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. I got another video coming you guys don't want to miss. It's been over 3 years since I've crashed a plane, so you don't want to miss that one. Remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss. Have a good one.